Yeah, talk about why it is that the scientists don't know how to develop DNA or RNA by chance, and you need them both at the same time. You can't have one and then the other, either direction. You got to have them both together, and they're very, very complicated.
Yeah, and this is the chicken and egg paradox, as it's referred to, is that namely DNA can't replicate itself. It really needs a collection of protein machines to replicate itself. But the problem is that those protein machines are dependent upon the existence of DNA. DNA contains the information needed to make those protein machines, but DNA can't replicate if those protein machines don't exist. And that interdependence is called the chicken and egg paradox. And so that just highlights, in essence, the irreducible complexity of living systems.
Well, Buzz, has any chemist ever made a DNA, an RNA, or a protein molecule in the lab?
Not through strictly undirected natural means.
Yeah.
When you can make those compounds in the lab, but it involves a tremendous amount of effort on the part of a chemist.
And it's always protected.
It's always protected. The conditions are just right.
And why wasn't that the case in the primordial Earth?
Well, in the primordial Earth, you have a complex, assuming there was a prebiotic soup, you have a very complex chemical system. All these different compounds would interfere with the putative origin of life pathways. Many things would have shut down the chemistry. The conditions would have been physically and chemically harsh.
There were more things that could destroy life than to build life.
Right, and even destroy the molecules needed for life. As soon as those molecules would form, there are a whole lot of forces, chemical and physical, at work to destroy even the molecules, let alone living systems.
You either have ultraviolet radiation destroying the molecules, or you get oxygen destroying the molecules.